had a little idea that I thought about over the winter time. Some type of deterrent protection / protection for my fruit that I grow. On this property so far, I've had 3, almost 4 years, maybe 3 years successful growing of fruit on my fruit trees. I'm talking about peaches, plums. Those are the high yield fruits that I've had so far. And I can honestly say I haven't tasted not one of them. And the reason is because of possible birds, and I know squirrels for sure have robbed me blind on this. So I came up with this idea, and I'm going to see if it works. So what I did is I ordered some styrofoam balls. I was going to use ornaments, but I got some styrofoam balls. Got some ornament hooks. I have apple. It almost looked like apple, green apple, some type of green spray, and I got red, which is apple red. I guess the green would be like the peaches and the plums. So the goal is to paint these and put them on a tree. And birds and squirrels should get extremely happy. And when they bite into this, they're going to find that it's not what they thought it was. So this is going to be a long, tedious process, but it may be worth it. Okay, that part is good. That's what one of my concerns was. And what I'm going to use is these balls are actually random sizes, so I may mix the sizes up, I may mix the colors up, or I might just keep the colors all red on one tree, all green on the other tree. But I'm going to make sure that I cover trees on all 4 sides of the property. The biggest issues in the back. That's where most of my squirrels hang out at. I tried organza bags covering the fruit. Squirrels got through that. I tried the tool netting. Squirrels got through that. If this does not work, I think I'm going to move to, I cannot think of that plastic, but it looks like a clam, and sometimes you find it in the deli section. I'm going to try that. I saw someone do that online, and it looked like it worked. So I'll have to order a lot of those balls. I mean, a lot of those plastic containers. It's kind of a windy day, so I already know spray is going to be all over the place. These ornaments aren't as durable as I thought they would be. I thought they'd be a little bit more robust, but they're not. They're real flimsy. I probably would have been better off using paper clips. But this is an experiment. Whatever fails, I will improve upon. I just want to get a good example. These things are all over the place. I just want to get a good idea of, does this attract rodents or tree rodents? Does it attract squirrels? So I am going to see if I can catch them in the act if they go for this. I may have to go with a yellow color to add to this, but like I said, it's an experiment. It didn't cost too much. It's fairly cheap. I think the most expensive thing was the spray. If this works, I think I'm gonna have to patent this idea. Just gonna do a few and see how it turns out. Okay. Wasn't expecting these balls to be so light. Oh, this may not work. I think it's these little cheap hooks. All right, let's see how red does. Oopsie. I think the green is just too strong for the styrofoam. All right, we come back.